How to use voice changer in Roblox Mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your device and search Voice Changer Live Mic. And then click on Voice Changer and Sound Effects, or you can choose any app you want to download. Then simply download the app. After it's downloaded, you can open the app and turn on Voice Changer by clicking on the button. After you have turned on Voice Changer, what you need to do is go back from here. As you can see at the top, my Voice Changer is turned on. Now you need to go to Roblox, go to Roblox game, and there, if you turn on your voice chat, your voice will be changed. This is how to use Voice Changer in Roblox Mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.